Hello everyone! Today is going to be a jam-packed day kasi napakadaming errands. Right now, nandito ako sa may Paraluman, Marikina, dito sa Corrugated Box, Philippines dahil ipipick up ko na yung mga in-order kong packaging materials para gagamitin namin sa business na ilo-launch namin sa September 1. So, stay tuned for that. Ayan na po siya. Ang ating bubble wrap at ang ating pakinintay. Diyan ka na lang. Laki pala! Grabe! Today is August 31st and tomorrow, September 1st, ay launch ng aming business which is the Good Tea PH. And these are loose leaf teas. So, actually, ilang araw ko na siyang pinopromote via FB page. Meron na akong mga nakuhang order before pa mag-September 1st. So, eto sila. Ipapack ko. And, yeah. I have my packaging materials. And, eto napakalaki ng bubble wrap na nabili ko sa Corrugated Box PH. Thank you so much again. And I would just like to highlight na napakaganda na experience ko coordinating with them sa mga inquiry ko. Introduce ko lang since ito na yung chance ko to officially introduce our products. So these are the mini sizes. Each time you steep, pwede ka mag-rest steep. Meaning, pwede mo siyang bantuan ulit ng hot water and pwede siya 2 to 3 times. Basta within the day. The initial flavors na ilo-launch namin ay for the flower tea, yan. Meron kaming hibiscus and butterfly tea. Yung hibiscus, it's like a citrusy flavor, tapos color red or magenta, while the butterfly tea is blue. So, ang ganda niyang tignan. What we have for the green tea, ito munang Genmaicha. This is very good if you want to boost your immune system. For the black tea, nag-decide kami na mag-launch ng dalawang klase so that masubukan nyo ang asam at ang English breakfast. So, ang English breakfast, yan naman yung known for black tea. And etong asam, usually, this is used kapag ka gumagawa ng mga house blend tea sa mga restaurant. So, if you have a restaurant and gusto mo mag-serve ng house blend tea, asam ang ginagamit para doon. And black teas are known para to help sa pag-heal kung meron kayong mga diseases, to help your body na mag-heal. So, ito rin ang iniinom ko, of course. Actually, lahat ito iniinom ko. And now, for the oolong tea, ayan. Sa mga mahilig sa mga milk tea, but gustong i-avoid ang added sugar, napakataas kasi ng mga sugar ng milk tea, So, the milk oolong, this is, sweet and creamy in aroma and in taste. Kaya, kahit ito lang, stick mo siya, para ka nang umiinom ng milk tea. Okay? And then, we have our signature blend, which is the Happy Berry. So, ang dami nitong combination. Napakasarap nito kasi citrusy and sweet siya at the same time. Again, without the added sugar. Ayan. We also have the 30-gram pack, which is the regular size. Okay? And the large pouch, which is 50 grams net weight. So, the bigger the size na ordering, mas value siya for your money kasi mas marami kang makukuha, tapos mas less yung binayaran mo, of course. Now, ayun. So, for now, ito muna, but stay tuned dahil we will definitely come up with a holiday package which will include starter tea pack kung ikaw ay nagsa-start pa lang sa paggawa or pag-inom ng tea na loose leaf teas. And, ayun, pwede rin siyang gift ideas sa darating na holiday. Ayun, so thank you so much for watching this video. Salamat sa pagsama nyo sa akin sa pag-prepare ng aming munting negosyo to be launched tomorrow. If you're interested, just, you know, check our FB page, which is The Good Tea PH. Ayan siya. Oops. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. At kung hindi ka pa subscriber ng channel na to, please subscribe now and hit that notification bell para mano-notify ka whenever we upload new ones. Until my next one. Bye!